Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Hi everybody, my name is Kevin Lombard with Lombard Equipment, your collision equipment specialist. With me today I have assisting is Duke, and we have a awesome little Pro Spot AL-5. It's for aluminum dent pulling. This is, again, it's like new. If you look at the ground, it's like literally brand new. And you have with it, you have your consumable kit. We also too, you have your, again, brand new in the box still. There's your temperature gun. You have your brand new heat gun still in the box. These are brand new. Here's all your aluminum hammers ready to go. Normally a basic aluminum dent pulling kit like this sells for in the $5,000 range. We have this for $14.95. Great value, ready to go. If you don't have a way to pull dents in aluminum, your problem solved. Call the 800 number. Thanks for watching this.